So I got the bolt in here, a little bit on this side, and what happens is it just gets rusted and it seats there. See how easy that was? You could also use a hammer, but when I usually use a hammer, people think I'm breaking something. So, and it's very loud. So this is an easy way, doesn't wake anybody up early in the morning. So see how bad that is? Now, let's look at a new one. See, that's a new one. That's what a new one's supposed to look like. So, we want to use brake cleaner, because these rotors come with a film usually on it to keep it from rusting on the way here in transit. So you want to get that off. You don't want that stuff on your brake pads. It'll start making noise. You'll be like, what? I just changed the brakes. Yeah, but it's squealing because you didn't clean the rotors correctly. So make sure you clean the rotors. Now, back on like that. There you go. If you want to keep these on temporarily so you can put the caliper bracket back on, just put that on for now.